Shenyang HuiBaiLi Technology Company Limited, established in 2017, has a strong team on wet wipes, baby wipes, alcohol wipes, dry wipes, sale and manufacturing. Our core value is focusing on products and services to become the specialist in manufacturing a series of wipes. Supplying top quality products and best service for our clients is regarded as the company's service tenet. Since the company established, our products have received a good reputation from our customers all over the world. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. In order to ensure solid quality and provide excellent health care, our factory equipped with modern production machines. At present, the factory has 19 production lines, 20 sealing machines, 10 rotary packaging machines to ensure delivery. We provide strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM projects, cooperating with well-known suppliers of raw materials at home and abroad. We supply secure products for all customers and give comfortable, meticulous care to the baby and the oldster. Now, we have registered with FDA. Our sales network has been covered all over China, and our products are popular among a vast number of consumers. After years of successful business relations with customers around the world, we become a mature partner you can trust. We sincerely welcome business partners to visit our company or contact us to take dealership of HuiBaiLi products.